Hey everyone, welcome to another video on Aerial Geeks, and today we're going to be reviewing and tearing down the HiYounger ExpressLRS module. Let's see what comes in the box. You have the module, an SMA T antenna, and a pretty detailed quick start guide that gives you all the information you need to set up, use, or flash your module. This module has an official/unofficial build target on the ExpressLRS configurator that you can flash either by USB or by Wi-Fi, as you see me do. It works perfectly. I'm going to pop this into my radio and see if the ExpressLRS Lua script works with it for configuring. As you can see here, changing the transmitter power level, which only goes up to 500 milliwatt, changes the LED color at the back. 500 milliwatt gives you a red light, 250 milliwatt gives you a purple light, and 100 to 25 milliwatt gives you a blue light. I'm just going to leave mine on purple because it looks better of all the colors. Another thing to note is right next to the USB port at the back, there is a bind and power level button, where you hold the button to switch transmitter power levels between 100, 250 and 500. Now let's pop this module open and see what is inside. It's a standard JR bay sized module, and from what we can see, there is no fan inside for cooling, which is why it goes up to 500 milliwatts only and not 1000 milliwatts. But it does have a heatsink which should keep it cool while running at full power. The USB port is connected off the board with a separate wire, and I'm sure that controls the LED as well. Based on my testing so far, this module gets warm at 500 milliwatts, but not uncomfortably so, and you can be sure it's not going to burn out on you. It works pretty well, binds to all my receivers, and the build quality is okay, so I can tell you this module will work well for you.